Hello beauties! Welcome back to Sumia's Elegance, where we transform everyday fashion into timeless elegance. My name is Sumia, and today we'll dive into the secrets of how to make jeans look elegant. Jeans can be the epitome of casual chic, but with the right styling, they can also exude sophistication and grace. Are you ready to elevate your denim game? Let's get started. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like and share Sumia's Elegance for more style inspiration. And beauties, feel free to drop a comment below with your favorite way to style jeans. I'd love to hear from you. Number 1. Choose the right fit, tailored to perfection. Elegance starts with fit. A well-fitted pair of jeans can work wonders. Skinny jeans, straight leg styles, and high-waisted options are all excellent choices for creating a polished look. Victoria Beckham, the queen of minimalistic elegance, often opts for high-waisted, straight-leg jeans paired with sleek blouses. At a charity event in 2019, she paired tailored denim with a structured blazer and stole the show. High-waisted jeans elongate your legs, creating a taller, leaner silhouette. Tailored jeans not only flatter your body, but also give you a modern, sophisticated edge. And as we've seen on the 2025 runways, this trend is here to stay. Luxury fashion houses like Gucci and Saint Laurent have incorporated tailored denim into their collections, emphasizing that elegant jeans are a staple for modern wardrobes. Number 2. Elevate with elegant tops. Pairing your jeans with the right top is essential. Silk blouses, tailored shirts, or structured tops can instantly make jeans look classy. Audrey Hepburn's iconic look in the 1957 film Funny Face included slim black jeans paired with a chic turtleneck. Her timeless style continues to inspire. Silk and satin tops catch the light beautifully, adding a touch of luxury to your outfit. These combinations are perfect for casual dinners, brunches, or even semi-formal events. Leading designers like Carolina Herrera have embraced the trend of pairing denim with luxurious fabrics, showcasing its versatility. Many brands, including Chanel and Balmain, have introduced collections with silky, structured tops that complement denim, proving this combination is a timeless winner. Number 3. Accessorize like a pro. Accessories can make or break your outfit. Opt for minimalistic jewelry, structured bags, and sophisticated footwear like pointed toe heels or loafers. Meghan Markle's appearance at the Invictus Games in 2023 showcased her in skinny jeans, a crisp white shirt, and nude heels, accessorized with a classic leather tote. Nude heels are a stylist's secret weapon for elongating the legs and adding instant elegance. Accessories are the easiest way to elevate your denim look without overthinking. Global fashion events in 2025 have highlighted how even simple, structured bags or statement jewelry can transform an outfit. Brands like Dior and Bottega Veneta have led the way in crafting iconic accessories that pair perfectly with jeans for an elegant aesthetic. Number 4. Add layers for depth. Layering adds depth and sophistication. Blazers, trench coats, or long-line cardigans can transform your jeans from casual to classy in seconds. Princess Diana was a master of layering. In the early 90s, she paired her mom jeans with oversized blazers, creating a look that's still celebrated today. A well-fitted blazer can enhance your posture and frame, giving an air of confidence and authority. Layers are perfect for all seasons and can take you from day to night effortlessly. Recent collections by brands like Burberry and Max Mara have focused on layering essentials, from neutral trench coats to oversized blazers, proving that this style is both practical and chic. Number 5. Stick to neutral and monochromatic palettes. Elegant looks often rely on a neutral or monochromatic color scheme. Pair your jeans with whites, blacks, beiges, or grays for a timeless vibe. Angelina Jolie's monochromatic looks, often featuring black jeans and a matching top, exude understated elegance. Monochromatic outfits create a cohesive and streamlined appearance, which is naturally more appealing to the eye. Neutral tones are versatile and never go out of style. Major brands like Ralph Lauren and COS have long celebrated these palettes in their collections, solidifying their place as staples of elegant dressing. Number 6. The power of shoes. Your choice of footwear can elevate your jeans instantly. Think sleek ankle boots, classic pumps, or even chic mules. Jennifer Aniston's go-to look often includes straight-leg jeans paired with heeled boots, a style she's rocked on multiple red carpets. The right shoes can change your entire posture, making you look poised and elegant. Shoes are an investment in your overall appearance. Designers like Manolo Blahnik and Gianvito Rossi have crafted iconic pieces that complement denim beautifully, showing how the right footwear can stitch jeans into an elegant outfit effortlessly. There you have it, beauties! The secrets to making jeans look elegant. From tailored fits to sophisticated accessories, these tips will have you turning heads wherever you go. Remember, fashion is not just about following trends, it's about embracing styles that make you feel confident and authentic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Sumia's Elegance. Let's continue this journey of elegance together. And don't forget to comment below which of these tips are you excited to try. Until next time, stay stylish and elegant. Bye, beauties.